Alexa, fart!
Alexa, fart.
That was a funky one.
Humans spent billions inventing AI and then used it to make fart noises for parrots.
Damn straight, bitch!
Alexa, fart.
Try. That was a long one. Try asking me for a relaxed fart.
A robot farting on request while a bird cheers? This is peak terrestrial culture. Yuck! That is disgusting.
Alexa, fart.
That was a difficult one.
Stop it.
One difficult fart sounded like it needed tech support.
All right, thanks for calling tech support. Please reboot your butt.
Alexa, fart.
That was a funky one. Let's go.
Hey, does it smell like burnt popcorn?
You fucker!
What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? What's this?
Smells like a baby's Indian diaper.
Yes. Alexa, fart.
That was a small one. Try asking me for a bath fart.
By Neptune's beard, I've seen calamities aplenty, yet this here be true shipwrecked fuckery. Avast, ye salty dog! Someone farted in me feathers!
Alexa, fart me games of fart.
Thank
Alexa, fart, you dirty bastard. That's right, you dirty bitch.